If you're a sinner, then Jesus died for you. He died for me, and Jeremiah too. Now, it's time for a lesson. Jesus Christ's our Savior, and He is our blessing. And if you want to receive Him, this is what you'll do. You'll leave the hands of Satan and hop into a pew. Jesus Christ loves you, but I'm losing my temper. That's the last line I wrote.
All right.
So, like, I was talking to Becky, and I was like, bitch, shut up. Sorry for my French. I'm actually 1/5 Parisian, so I eat a lot of bread. That's why I look so fat, but actually in France, I'm one of the thinnest people there. Now, you would not believe what happened the last time I went to France. I tried speaking their language. I was like, hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, así, y tú? And they were like, boof. I mean, like, they were speaking like a different language. It was weird.
And cut.
No. No, the xenomorph's gonna get me. Oh, God. Let's waste $10 million on another Alien movie. Why don't we? I was just walking down the street, and this crazy guy jumps out of nowhere, and he's like, give me your socks. And I was like, why my sock? And he's like, people hide money in their socks, right? And I was like, I don't. I have a wallet for that, here. But he still took my socks. My shoes are lying around on the sidewalk somewhere, but he only took my socks. I think he was homeless or something. He was Caucasian. So, see, I was just standing there, and then I got stabbed. It was as simple as that. Like, Greg's been stabbed like 4 or 5 times, but he was in a fight, and he got stabbed 4 or 5 times. It was all at once. As you can see, we're in a graveyard. Greg is dead. But like, I was just standing there, and the guy comes up, and he's just like, right in my back, and I was like, you stabbed me in the back. Wasn't my best friend. It was actually this one dude that wants to kill me, but, Hey, you think you're funny? No, sit down! Sit down, Jimmy! God, you know what? You're the worst stepson I've ever had, and I have had 6, okay? All from different mothers, too. I haven't been married that many times, What? Well, there was 3 times in one night, but that was Las Vegas, so it doesn't count. No, fuck you, Jimmy. You're the worst. You're my... Okay, I'm sorry. Tina, will you not pay attention to what Daddy's saying? Oh, man. I feel like I'm just running in circles right now. But you don't understand. I'm always made of clay.